Hi, Deb here. I'm here with Karen Deb, and this is what we do behind the scenes. We are scoping out a beginner hike at Blue Heron Park here in Staten Island, and we are at Butterfly Pond. I'm checking to see if there's foliage, and we're a little bit too early, but this would be a beginner hike. It's a little over a mile, and it's flat, and it's going to take you to, I think, 3 ponds, but we're going to scope that out now to see if they're all accessible. And that's what we're doing, and we're tracking it. So let me just switch places with Karen, and she can say a couple of words as well.
Hi there, happy autumn. So yes, as I've said, we're trying to scope out and find some easy hikes around Staten Island. We want to encourage people of all levels to come out. So especially the beginner people, it's getting to be the end of the year. We're going to start a new year, and that's when people want to start hiking. So hopefully you'll join us. It's a beautiful fall day. We're starting to get some color, but hopefully we'll be back and checking it out again. Have a great day.